The next topic is light emitting diode, which is simply called as LED. LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current flows through it. When current passes through an LED, the electrons recombine with holes which emits the light. LEDs allow the current to flow in the forward direction and block the current in reverse direction. What is LED? Semiconductors which brings quality of lights. The symbolic representation of LED is here. Varieties of colors of LEDs are available. How it works. Light emission. A typical LED needs a PN junction. There are a lot of electrons and holes at the junction due to excitation. Electrons from N need to be injected to P to promote recombination. Junction is biased to produce even more EH and to inject electrons from N to P for recombination to happen. This recombination produces the amount of light. How does LED works? When a diode is forward biased, the minority electrons are sent from P to N, while minority holes are sent from N to P. At the junction boundary, the concentration of minority carriers increases. The excess minority carriers at the junction recombine with the majority charge carriers. Construction of typical LED. So one substrate, over that one N-type material, above that one P-type material is sandwiched. Luminance is the process behind the light emission. Luminance is a term used to describe the emission of radiation from a solid when the solid is supplied with some form of energy. The energy is released in the form of photons on recombination. The energy is released in the form of heat in standard diodes. But in LED, the energy is released in the form of photons. We call this phenomena as electroluminance. Electroluminance is an optical phenomena and electrical phenomena where a material emits light in response to an electric current passed through it. As the forward voltage increases, the intensity of light increases and reaches the maximum. There are properties of the laser light. Laser light is monochromatic, laser light is directional, laser light is coherent, it is highly directional. Uses of LED. Used in TV backlighting, used in displays, used in automotives, LEDs used in dimming of lights. Types of LED. Miniature LED, high power LED, flash LED, bi and tricolor LEDs are also available. Red, green, blue LEDs available. Alphanumeric LED, lighting LED. Advantages of LEDs over incandescent power lamps. LEDs consume less power and they require low operating voltage. No warm-up time is needed for LEDs. The emitted light is monochromatic. They exhibit long life and ruggedness. Excitation, recombination and efficiency.